As the ball is passed or shot, it will stay at a constant velocity unless acted upon by an outside force. The outside forces which would act upon it are either the net or someone's stick. Every time the ball is thrown or passed, even shot, it becomes a projectile. Its horizontal velocity is separate from the vertical velocity in that it is the force used to pass, and then vertical velocity is the downward acceleration of negative 9.81 meters per second on Earth, which is always constant here on planet Earth.
In this clip, number 4 is going to take a shot, and the defensive player comes in to disrupt the shot. Due to the difference in mass of number 4 and the defenseman, number 4 will experience a greater acceleration and will make him fall to the ground. When the players hit each other, they exert an equal and opposite force on each other, which is Newton's third law. In this clip, to run from face-off to goal, it was about a 27-yard run in 4 seconds. His velocity was 6.75 yards per second. Due to an uncertainty, we use sig figs, which makes the velocity 7 yards per second. His initial velocity is 0 yards per second. To find the final velocity, we need to take the average velocity minus the initial and times by 2 to get the final. The final velocity is 3.5 yards per second with sig figs. To find the acceleration, we need to have time, initial velocity, and final velocity. So you take 3.5 yards per second minus 0 yards per second, and then you divide it by 4 seconds to get 0.875 yards per second. Due to sig figs, it's 0.9 yards per second.